Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Bionaire 16-inch oscillating stand fan or pedestal fan, whatever you want to call it, with remote control and a timer, 3 speeds and oscillation and a mode as well, versus the Igenix 30-inch tower fan with remote control and 3 speeds and oscillation, and also I'll show you all the modes that it's got at the top here actually. It's got a 7-hour timer, if you have all of them on all at once. It has the low, medium and high function, power there it says, oscillation, mode I think that is, or is that, no that's the timer, 3 speeds and the on and off. And now I'll show you on this one it has the oscillation mode there. And some functions here. The one at the top's the on off. I think the second one there, that's the mode. And then the one after that's the low, medium and high setting, and the other one's the timer, I do believe. So yeah, I think these will be a great comparison to do. Oh yeah, let me just grab the remote controls. Here's the Bionaire remote control to it. And this is the Igenix remote control. I might do a quick comparison between the size of the remotes before I get into the actual fun comparison. But that's the sizes of the two remote controls. Does it have anything? No, it doesn't have the logo on it or anything. The Binaire's got a bigger remote control, obviously. That doesn't matter though, as long as it works, it's fine. There's one more fan in the collection that has a remote control, and that's the Dyson. There's no way I'm doing a comparison of that versus any of these two, because it will blow it away, because the Dyson's just a lot better. Although these fans are still pretty good though, especially the Bionaire, but I think the Igenix good too, in its own little way. Now I'm going to be showing you the noises that they make when you turn them on, because these ones make noises. So here's the noise on the Igenix one. That's the noise the Igenix one makes. Now here's the noise on the Bionaire. This one's more of a beep beep, that one's more of a beep. Oh, hang on, I've got to show you something else. I'm going to show you design. Here's the front of the Igenix. Here's the side. And the back of it. The remote control stores inside here. Just zooming on the model number. I swear this has got the same model number as the one I have at home. As the Igenix tower fan I have at home. It's more, this one's model DF0035 and it's 45 watts. It's 220/240 volts, made in China. That's pretty much it. I could bring my one over. I could bring my Igenix one over to my nan's house at some point and do a comparison of that one versus this one. But here's the front of the Bionaire. It's got a lovely double blade design. I absolutely love this design. Looks so cool. I love it. In my whole collection, I'll say this is probably my favourite pedestal fan in my collection. Oh yeah, and lift servo, I do have a favourite fan in your collection, and it's the Purple Airflow 6-inch desk fan. That's my favourite in yours. And Ethan, in your collection, I think my favourite one's probably your Chrome 16-inch oscillating metal pedestal fan, which is similar to my red and chrome one. Yours came from Tesco's, and mine came from Amazon. It's called a Swan, or Swan, however you call it. Anyway, here's the model number on the Bionaire. It's model BASF 1016 GRC. It's 60 watts, which is the same power Yes, it's 60 watts, which is the same power as your Daewoo 12-inch oscillating pedestal fan lift 2019. I think it's your Daewoo one that has the 60 watt motor. Could you let me know in the comments if it is? That would be great, thanks. Here's the vents here and the motors inside there. And it also has some more vents on that side. It has some more on this side too. It has quite a large oscillation mechanism. It has it there, you can see it. Oscillating sign there. And that's pretty much. Oh, it has a very large carroting handle here, I just wanted to point that out. The back wheel's made of plastic and the front one's made of metal. So you got on this one, it's made of plastic on that one. On the back it's also made of plastic. And you just turn it around and the remote goes onto here, by the way. Okay, I managed to get my Bionaire remote to work again, so hopefully it's still working today. I'm going to start off with the Igenix on speed 1, so here we go. Oh yeah, and it also has LED lights at the top there. It also has LED lights on this one too. I'll get to that after this one. Anyway, here's on. Not working for some reason. Hold on, I'll just put it down for one. Because for some reason this one's not working now. So we can figure out. Just do it. The remote's not working, so I'm just gonna. I'm pointing it at it right, yeah. The remote's not working, so I'm just gonna have to do it manually. So here's light. Fairly quiet. I could just do them separately and not on at the same time because I don't think I'll have enough time today. Now I'll go up to medium, which is this one. This fan's gone a bit yellowy, sort of like on that one. Now for speed 3, which is high. Sounds very similar to how my Igenix 3-inch tower fan sounds. Now back to low. With oscillation. Now I'll do medium oscillation. It's got red LED lights on this one. Now I'll do high. Now I'll do one at the centres. I think I've got that. Try and get the spin now, I don't know what we are to. It's got quite a lot of dust in this fan because it's been used quite a lot. Don't know if you caught that, but I think I might have just got it on camera, but I don't really know for sure. Now I'll see if the remote's going to work on the Bionaire. Here's on low. Oh yeah, it's working. This one has green LED lights. medium. Now for high. Can't work. Uh-oh. Now for low. Come on. Now do oscillation. Now medium with oscillation. Now I'll do high with oscillation. Now I'll sync. Anyway, here's this video. Okay, that's going to be it for this video of this comparison between the Igenix 30-inch tower fan with remote control versus this 16-inch Bionaire pedestal fan or stand fan, whatever you want to call it, with also remote control as well. So that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please comment, like and subscribe. And people, if you've already subscribed, don't forget to comment and like if you like the video. Also feel free to put the thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Could you let me know in the comments why? I'll try and be better next time, and also my apologies as well if you didn't enjoy it. But anyway, that's going to be it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next video guys. Bye for now.